We are at a point in time where we're all being called upon to re-examine the way we do business. And I have long felt, as have many of my colleagues, that a lot of things that we do in the criminal justice system are almost destined for failure, in that we're called upon increasingly to address social problems, public health problems, addiction, poverty, institutional racism. Those are things that we need to find better approaches as we learn that the criminal justice system is not going to cure an addict. The criminal justice system is not going to cure homelessness, but the criminal justice system can instead, through collaboration, find better outcomes for people when they have offended against the community.
Now, the criminal legal system is primarily based on a jail-based system, and that has been a flaw of the criminal legal system from the very beginning. And it's taken me a while with George Floyd's death and with really reassessing where the criminal legal system stands in our community to understand that truly what we're trying to do in community court is we're trying to evolve away from a jail-based system and evolve towards a connection to social services and true rehabilitation system.
A real evolution that we're seeing in our newest community court is that we're working with people prior to them ever being convicted of a crime. So someone may be charged with an offense, and we're working on the front end with individuals, one, to have them in the system as short a time as possible, to give them as much concentrated assistance as we can on the front end, and then to get them out as quickly as possible.
Most people who come into our court have suffered from trauma. They have suffered from institutions that have not met their needs. With community court, you're bringing in partners. We have housing partners. We have partners who are specialized in drug treatment, substance abuse programs, with employment, all of these things that individuals need in order to stay out of the justice system.
You see people on the streets and you see people that are struggling and you want to help them. The court can be a support to them. It doesn't have to be a punitive place to be. And community court is reflective of that. We are a support. We're not a punitive place.
To be able to engage them in life-changing services is an essential part of the program. And I think that we'll see a lot of success in that, especially given the robust amount of resources that we have at our disposal here at the court. I think we'll be able to rapidly connect folks and get them to a better place in their life.
Community court's success depends on the collaboration of all of our partners, the City Attorney's Office, the Department of Public Defense, and the courts. We know that community court will not work without that support and without the support of the community, which we've also brought in to a very large degree.
It is a really rare moment when the courts, the City Attorney's Office, and Public Defense all come together and agree that something is a good idea. The system is traditionally an adversarial one, and while we will always fight for the rights of our clients, one of the things that has really made this program appealing to us is that this doesn't require our clients to give away their rights. And so coming together to first see if we can collaboratively help people address an unmet need and then help them walk out the courthouse door, never to walk back, is a great idea. And it's also a testament to, I think, this moment in time when we're all beginning to develop a deeper understanding of the ways that system involvement can harm people, and of course the racial impacts of this system, and a shared desire to mitigate that.
It's so important and frankly unusual that prosecutors and defenders can get together, collaborate, and say, can we do better? We know we can do better. And that's what we both want. We want better outcomes, and the court is the ideal place to launch this new program.
This new model, no giving up of rights in order to receive services, should be a national model, and we're very much hoping that as we go into the future and people see the transformative changes in people's lives by going through our court, that this idea will spread and that more people will adopt it.